body doesn't hold the adjustment, it starts to return back to normal kind of movement patterns. So that's one thing that we really want to work on in the future is how do we sustain long-term improvement so that your body can hold its adjustment for a longer period. That's the only difference with focus on corrective elements versus focusing care on pain-based elements, because at times the body doesn't acclimate to the changes, and that's really temporary results. So with our focus right now, we're just getting your nervous system stimulated, working around with muscles and tissues, and when your body has this contour right there, it makes it really restricted. These are the nerves that control your lungs, as well as areas within the stomach with that reflux. Chiropractic's approach is to look at the nerve interference to find out why that organ or muscle is not functioning as it should. Perfect. Now the reason I adjust you this way is we want to emphasize those curves. Today what we're going to do is open up this very top of your head. A lot of movement on that one.
Yeah, your pops.
Good.